People seem not to realize how repairable trust is. It takes small, consistent moves. A few steps to help when you're ready to reset. Step 1. Own exactly what went wrong and stop minimizing. Step 2. Apologize. Clear, specific. No excuses. Step 3. Explain actions. Set new expectations. What will change? How we'll measure it. Step 4. Earn back trust. Show up with consistent behavior, not dramatic promises. Step 5. Time and boundaries. Let healing happen. Respect limits. Small, steady actions beat big speeches. Use the trust reset framework. Recognize, apologize, set, earn, time. Start today. Consistency rebuilds trust.